Hello and welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how to find wallet address on Margex application using your smartphone. If you're new to the Margex platform or simply can't find where your Margex stores off your crypto wallet address, then this step will guide you through the correct process. First of all, open your Margex application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of Margex, click on the deposit button at the top right corner. Select the crypto you'd like to find the wallet address for from the list, or you can also search for the crypto in the search bar. After choosing one of the cryptos, you'll see the deposit address option on the next page. Tap on the copy button right next to deposit address at the top and check this little square box at the bottom and tap on copy address. Now you'll be able to copy the wallet address to your device's clipboard. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address. Always copy the wallet address directly instead of typing it manually. Now, if you share the wallet address with the person that is trying to send you funds, then you'll be able to do it right away with the help of the wallet address. Just make sure you have copied the wallet address correctly. Now that you know how to find your wallet address on Margex is just a few simple steps. Whether you are depositing crypto or receiving funds from another wallet, following these steps will help you do it securely and confidently. If you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.